Okay, we're gonna go ahead and clean the T-top out just because it got a whole lot of junk and stuff in the hat. So we're gonna get it all cleaned out and then we're gonna take it on the test drive today. So, but of course, I gotta give a shout out to Four Seasons. Y'all, they got some of the flyest sweatsuits and two-piece sets. Like, just hold on, because I got some stuff for y'all to see. Y'all see, like, just little junk and stuff, spare parts, stuff like that. So I'm gonna just take everything out, see what I can and can't use or what I need and don't need, and we'll go from there. Y'all, I did put these up there. So now my hatch stays up on its own like it's supposed to. I don't gotta put nothing in or jam it in to get it to sit up. So yeah, because I know that that's a common issue. I need to vacuum it out. I should have brought my vacuum. Let's go to the front of the car. Yeah, missed the little button that's supposed to go on my steering wheel that's popped out. We're gonna see if we can put it back in. And all this stuff is just, you know, stick shift stuff. Nothing crazy. I gotta do total renovation on the inside. I gotta get a whole new center console, new door stuff, because I don't think that one, it don't look bad. Well, I might try to put it back on, see if it works. But yeah. We're gonna renovate the inside. After we got the big stuff out, I'm gonna get a broom. We're gonna sweep it out. And cause y'all was popping it about my trunk being rusted. What rust? Please. I always be commenting on my truck, my little OBS. Should I make some truck content? Y'all got the car started up. I put the center console in. You see, this is not for this car, so that's why it doesn't fit, but it's gonna be up there for now. As far as these, I gotta plug these in, see if they work, because I don't know why they were taken out. If they do work, so hopefully they work, because I think that's pretty cool. Tells you everything that's going on with your car. But yeah, wipe the dash down and stuff. My gauge, oil pressure gauge, isn't working because it's unplugged right now, but it should work. So I'm gonna go ahead, do a little test drive, take her to the store, and yeah, I got the tops off the car, so let's get it. I don't hear no crazy noises like I was the other day, so far so good.